welcome back to my channel. Today we are joined by this little mister, which is my baby boy, and this is his nursery. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley Nicole. I make videos all about mom life, beauty, and home. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, as well as follow me on Instagram for more content at pineapple.mama with 2 A's. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so what we did with his nursery is we kept it minimalistic, blacks and whites with a little bit of boho chic, and I did everything on a pretty awesome budget, so I'll make sure to show you guys along the way. Let's take a look. Okay, let me go ahead and take you around and just show you an overview of where I got things. For example, this crib I got on WEICHUAN. It's kind of like a dupe for a really expensive version, but I really love the simplicity of the light wood and the white. So what I did is that I believe I also got this on WEICHUAN, and I just simply changed the knobs. They used to be white. I just changed the little knobs to natural wood, and that way it looks like they match, even though it's exponentially much more inexpensive than the matching set. I did get those on Amazon, so I'll link that and everything else down below. And then this is the Ubbi or something it's called, but it is awesome for retaining odor. I got this basket at Home Goods. We just keep like the rest of his blankets in there. And this rug, I believe, is also from WEICHUAN. I will try to find it. This is a really good and inexpensive alternative. We basically just bought the stuffing for this. It was $35 or $37 on Amazon versus like $150 when it's already stuffed. And this little nightstand is also from Amazon and matches all the furniture perfectly. So it was really easy to find pieces like that since we kept it simple. This actually was a little expensive, but I have a whole infertility connection to the elephants and the book Wish, so I was willing to splurge. Lamp is also from Amazon, and our hatch, as well as the lumbar pillow, is from Amazon, and we just stuffed it with the extra stuff we had from here. And so is this adorable little elephant, which also was a little more expensive, surprisingly. I know my rocking chair is like all messed up, but you know, it is what it is. He's 10 months old, so it gets dirty. And then I did also get the picture frame and pretty much this whole setup from Amazon. So tons of awesome Amazon buys. And over here, super adorable custom sign. I got it without anything on it, so it was a lot more inexpensive, and I just painted it the colors of his room. So definitely saving some money there, but you still get the look that you want for the room as well. Lots of stuff that I got at Home Goods. I got this mirror. I also got this little circular shelf at Home Goods, and then I got these two guys on Etsy. This, I believe, is also from Home Goods, and these two I just basically went a ton of times. These shelves are from Amazon. Also Amazon kit that I made that with. That I can't remember. I believe it was a present, and this is the Wish book I was referring to as far as infertility and why I'm connected to that. And I absolutely love this changing table. I still have a lot to do with this closet. It's a work in progress. These little hangers are from Home Goods and a combination of some from Amazon. And then I also got this air purifier because, you guys, it's honestly amazing for helping with any congestion or anything like that. It just keeps all the pollutants out of the air, and it's super easy to use. I'll make sure and link that. I can't remember where I got it. I'll try to link it if it's on Amazon or if it was at Target. But really, really great buy and worth it for the size of this room. And lastly, I'm not going to show you all the drawers because they are a mess, but I did get these dividers from Amazon. I do have a video on how to organize your dresser for your nursery, so I'll link that up above. But these dividers are awesome, especially if you have a really big growing baby, like pretty much all babies, right? Alright, so that's it for my baby boy's nursery tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to do more like them. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I have new videos coming out. And follow me at pineapple.mama with 2 A's on Instagram. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.